The Sun is a dynamic and complex star, crucial to life on Earth and the entire solar system. Its energy is produced through nuclear fusion in its core, which also generates neutrinos that help scientists study the Sun's internal conditions. The Sun's magnetic field, created by the movement of electrically charged gases, drives solar phenomena like sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. These eruptions send charged particles into space, potentially causing geomagnetic storms on Earth that disrupt communication, GPS, and power grids. The Sun follows an 11-year solar cycle, during which sunspot activity rises and falls. During solar maximum, space weather intensifies, impacting satellites and astronauts. Over time, as the Sun exhausts its hydrogen fuel, it will enter the red giant phase, expanding and potentially engulfing the inner planets. This phase will drastically change Earth's climate, likely rendering it inhospitable. Eventually, the Sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf that will cool over billions of years. The Sun's evolution provides insight into the life cycle of stars, especially G-type main sequence stars, which make up a significant portion of stars in the Milky Way. The Sun's gravitational pull keeps planets in orbit and drives the solar wind, which interacts with planetary magnetic fields, protecting Earth from most solar radiation. However, strong solar wind can cause geomagnetic storms that disrupt technology. As the Sun ages, it will become brighter and hotter, leading to a gradual climate change on Earth. The Sun, a colossal ball of gas, is the heart of our solar system. It accounts for about 99.86% of the solar system's total mass, making it the dominant gravitational force. With a diameter of approximately 864,000 miles, the Sun is about 109 times larger than Earth. Its immense size allows it to hold over 1.3 million Earths within its volume. The Sun's surface temperature reaches around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core is a staggering 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat is generated through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing energy in the process. The Sun emits energy in the form of light and heat, which is essential for life on Earth. It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to travel the 93 million miles to reach our planet. The Sun is not a solid body. It consists of several layers. The outer layer, known as the photosphere, is what we see as sunlight. Above that lies the chromosphere and the corona, which can be observed during a solar eclipse. Sunspots, cooler areas on the Sun's surface, are caused by magnetic activity and can influence solar radiation. The Sun undergoes an 11-year solar cycle, marked by varying sunspot activity, affecting space weather and satellite communications. Despite its importance, the Sun has a finite lifespan. In about 5 billion years, it will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and expand into a red giant before ultimately shedding its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf. Understanding the Sun's characteristics and behavior is crucial for predicting solar phenomena and their impact on Earth.